Okay guys, in today's video, I will show you how you can optimize your Shopify store for SEO purposes super easily and super carefully. Let's go with the tutorial and show you how you can do it. First of all, what is SEO for those who don't know? It is called search engine optimization, and it is generally the way how apps or any other things view any content you create. So if you have a good SEO, of course, it shows up more on sites like Google, Amazon, or any other thing. For example, in here, it's Shopify. So that means Google as well, but still, I hope you get what I mean. It is really important to optimize your SEO to get the maximum performance you can get from your website. The first thing I can do about this is choosing the right keyword and right phrases, because choosing special keywords that are always on use makes people actually come to our store much easier, because if we use the special keywords that are always on use, when people search those special keywords, they will always see our website at the top of the list or almost close to the list. So that's why it is important to make sure we handle our SEO perfectly. For example, if I sell skincare for men products, I will search it on Google keyword search engines and get the results. When I get those results to see what SEO words or what keywords are on use for skincare for men, I will add those to my SEO choices so I can make sure if somebody searches for a skincare product for a man, my shop can be up top. The first thing we can do about this is, of course, optimize our collection page in Shopify. As you might know, collection pages are generally show how your products or your pages work. So optimizing those collection pages in Shopify itself can really help our products shine and make sure people see them. Of course, there will always be special pages itself, like singular pages, and your keywords should always be in multiple locations in those special singular pages. For example, things like feminism, toddler, patriarchy, depending on what I sell, toddler, who I sell to, or what my product does, who I want to sell this product to, what do they search. That's why these keywords are so important. For example, things like activism, power, community, network, words like these are important keywords, and these should be in multiple pages and in multiple places. Things like nonprofits, movements, everything similar to this. For this page, of course, this is for this page. Whatever your product is and however your page is, what is your style, you will choose your keywords with that knowledge in mind. Of course, at the bottom of the page, there will be special places like this, and we should have all of our keywords here as well, so that the search bots can fully understand what our page is all about. Of course, after everything, we should still handle our pages one by one, like all these boxes here. We should handle them all one by one with the main rules I mentioned before. Also, for every picture, you should add alt text for the pictures. If you have multiple pictures in a single page, all of these pictures should have different alt texts so it doesn't look like duplicates. Because things like Google and similar search engine bots cannot see pictures itself. They can only see the alternative names, alternative texts. So if the names are the same, the pictures or the pages will look really similar and too same for the search bots. Another thing you can do is submit for XML mapping to Google. Always take your XMLs, because Shopify creates the XML files and general files itself. So all you have to do is give the Google your general URL so it can be logged and viewed better in Google and similar search engines. Also, whenever you need it, use SEO manager apps to make sure they can be seen and they are as optimized as possible. I know it might sound hard right now, but the returns are so big, the hardness will not feel like hard anymore after one point, because you will see the results immediately. So guys, that was generally the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see you in the next video as well. Hope you have a great day and goodbye.